Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use a public electric car charger in the UK. First, locate a compatible charging station for your electric vehicle. Make sure your car's charging port is easily accessible. It's also helpful to know the different connector types, like Type 2 or CCS, to ensure compatibility with the station you choose. This preparation makes the charging process much smoother. Once you've found a suitable station, select the correct charging cable and firmly plug it into your car's port. Next, activate the charger using its specific method, which could be a dedicated app, an RFID card, or a contactless payment option. Always confirm that the charging session has successfully started by checking the station's display or your vehicle's dashboard. While your electric vehicle is charging, it's a good idea to monitor its progress. You can typically do this through your car's dashboard or a connected charging app. Always ensure the charging cable remains securely locked in place throughout the session. For your safety and the equipment's integrity, carefully follow all safety guidelines and instructions provided at the charging station. When your vehicle has enough charge, or you're ready to leave, stop the charging session using the same app or station controls you used to start it. Wait for the cable to unlock, then safely remove it from your car's charging port. Finally, always return the charging cable neatly to its designated holder at the station, leaving it ready for the next user.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.